We are on our way to Amsterdam, destination number 2. It's gonna be a 4-hour train ride, nearly 4 hours. Go. Yay!
Wala kayong tubig.
Large coffee with milk here. It's soup. It's not coffee, it's soup. Yeah, Dutch pancake.
Pizza.
Fit in. That looks really nice.
Oh, it's worth it. It's so good.
Oh no, this is supposed to be like a local sandwich.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't know. That one looks good. Some mitzaballen.
I like.
The sandwich is really good.
What'd you say?
The sandwich is very good.
We are far from each other.
Yes.
Hello, fans. We're going to smoke the weed later and eat the
Lollipop.
Yeah, it's real candy. Sure. Someone try? Nozi, bumibili ka ng cannabis.
Hindi, papalimin ko si mami. Parang expire na yata.
2023, July 1. finally made it to Albert Cup Street Market. I've never been here before. Been to Amsterdam twice, but I've never been here before, so it's really nice that we got to go around today and finally made it here. But yeah, so we've changed our strategy. We're not doing divide and conquer, so basically splitting up and just setting a meeting place and meeting time for everybody. It's kind of working better for us like that instead of like waiting for everybody to finish and go to certain places. But yeah,
This is so good.
it is really good. Okay. Okay, the birthday drinking starts now. Cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers! Happy birthday! We are going on this boat right here. We're getting ready. The rest of the crew are over there. But yeah, this is really cute. Cute boat. Okay, we can go in now.
I can ride anywhere. No need to balance. Hola, fans! We're going to the boat of our dear friend here.
Okay.
Say hello to the fans.
He's 5 then.
You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine.
Happy.
It's Pierre's birthday, so we're gonna have dinner here on the boat.
Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, malupit pala.
It's amazing. It's amazing here. Sunny, perfect weather. It's like tradition here in Amsterdam, doing a boat ride. You can see all the drinks here, guys. Oh my god. Oh, it's amazing. Heineken, soft drinks, white wine. Oh my god, it's the best place. Best place. You have the guys to come here.
What do you want to drink? Start early, guys. Start early.
Okay, everybody's going crazy with the drinks. Cheers.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Is your alcohol?
0.
Yeah. Cheers! Happy birthday to you. Cheers.
First episode ni Boy Lord Vlog sa atin, malupit ang ano, maraming
Birthday boy.
hindi na sa camera niya natin sa iba. Stolen.
Nice. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Exactly the
Yes, in the casino.
Thank you.
Amazing experience.
First experience. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing holiday.
Bingo Premi.
Thank you. Kailangan mabilis ka.
Oh my god, it smells so nice. I can smell the barbecue right now.
We're cooking, we're cooking.
We're cooking.
Starting.
Wow, starting. Pass around. Yay. Sauces and salads here. Pass around.
Egg salad.
Wow. 호호메야. 도시하? 호메야. Potato salad is really good too. It's so flavorful. Chef, really good. Thank you.
It's a little bit spicy sausage.
We love spicy. Yeah.
Steak sausage. And of bread there.
Yes. So we have burgers, patties. It's amazing. I already took a bite and it's so nice. Love it, love it, love it. Sek tortilla, Justino. Oh, mea. Souffle of potato. Why don't you try the burger? It's nice. The third round. It keeps coming.
In the beginning there was a planning zone in Amsterdam.
That's why they got the name.
Name already.
Ooh, parang. Ooh, it smells amazing. He wants to bring it. Amazing.
Amazing, the best.
How was it?
Very nice, very good. Enjoy the view.
Justino, how was it?
Oh, it's great. I'm full. Yeah.
Siya lang ang tatry no, walang susubong.
Ang galit siguro niyan.
sausages?
Yep.
Croquettes?